I remember some 8 years ago when I launched into the online space, over and over and over, I heard it said that the money is in the list. The money is in the list. I heard this over, almost every day. I heard this from the online gurus. Now, I really wish it was not true. I really wish things had changed. But to be honest, with my experience, the money is still in the list. It just depends on where the list is. So then it was more of email list, email list, email list. But now we have lists across different platforms, right? But I will still want to arguably argue or arguably claim that your email list is still one of your greatest assets as an online entrepreneur. It allows you to be able to push out messages to people without them having to give you so much, or without them having the option to really say, no, don't send. When you are done sending, they can say, okay, no, I don't want any more. But that first one you will send first. And that's why today I'm going to be teaching email marketing for online coaches. If you are a coach who wants to learn how to master your email marketing, I'm your girl. I'm your girl. Come with me. Let's talk about this. Hey you, welcome back to my YouTube channel, your home as a thought leader who wants to master the art and science of profitable personal branding, who wants to learn how to create and sell digital products, and of course, master the art and science of sales funnels. This is your home. I'm Temi Ajibewa, aka the Electric Temi, Africa's most influential personal branding expert and business coach for coaches. So today's video is to break down what you need to have to set up a high converting, useful, very lucrative email marketing for your business. Okay, and there are 5 core areas or 5 core steps that I will share with you for you to design that email marketing, even if you have never done this before. Okay, trust me on this. The first step you need to take to build your email lists, is, I'll say, to define your core offer. What is the core thing you want to sell? What is like the almighty product that you want to sell to people? Define this. So usually for me, it's my one-on-one premium coaching package, right? And once I know that, I move on to the second step, which is build a product ladder. That means from this core product, what are the products that would lead to that top? So you put that your core offer at the top of the ladder. Then you ask yourself, there are different steps on a ladder, right? If someone wants to buy your one-on-one, what do they have to buy first? Or what can they buy? Okay, your group coaching, for example. So for example, my one-on-one is $20,000. For if you don't want to get this, you can get my group coaching that runs for $10,000. Okay, if you don't want to run this group mastermind session for $10,000, how about my group coaching, where I have associate coaches working with me for $4,000, right? Then we break it down further to the general group coaching of $2,500. Then I have this mentoring program that runs for $1,000. Can you see the breakdown? That is an example right there. So that way you have like 5 products on your product ladder. So once you have that, but mind you, they are all inside They are all linked. They are all integrated. They are all, interwoven. It's not as if one offer is on real estate. I do real estate. I sell real estate. And then one offer is on personal branding. I now put that under real estate. No, it's in one niche. Build a product ladder per niche. So I have a product ladder for me as a business coach for thought leaders. I have a product ladder for me as a personal branding expert for thought leaders. I have product ladder for me as a real estate investment coach as well. Do you see all of this parts? So for me as a business coach, I have the one-on-one coaching, group coaching, mastermind, group mentoring, online courses, and things like that. But they are all related. Now, once you have this product ladder locked down, the third stage is for you to now create a freebie. Your freebie must be attractive enough to bring people to your ladder. So it must be connected. I see a mistake people make when they create a freebie that is unconnected with their main offers. So they bring in people on relationship tips or downloadable, then they offer them money management. It does not join. It does not blend. Stop it. Okay, what should you do? If your core offer is on relationships, drill it down to create a freebie. Now you may be thinking, Temi, I don't have product ladder. It's fine. That's one product, no problem. Create a freebie that would attract potential customers. So your freebie should be designed for the kind of person that would take your core offer. Sefini. That's just it. Please, those are words on marbles, by the way. You can quote me. Your freebie should be designed for people that would also take your core offer. So for example, I have a core offer known as the Business of Your Brand program, right? And you must have heard talk about this program over and over. Now, with this program, we have the VIP coaching, we have the one-on-one coaching, we have the group coaching, right? But still this program. Now, with this program, I also have a boot camp, highly paid coach boot camp that runs for 3 to 7 days, right? And this boot camp is on the product ladder. So once you join the boot camp, you will hear about BYB. In fact, most times, for almost 2 years now, I have not sold BYB to the outside world. I only sell it to those that come to the boot camp. Now, guess what? The boot camp is a product to BYB, right? It's a step to BYB. A step to the boot camp is my highly paid coach bundle. From the bundle, you get to know about the boot camp. From the boot camp, you get to know about what? BYB. Can you see? And then my freebie, a free masterclass I run, and the link will be below this video, is designed to sell what? To sell the highly paid coach bundle. That right there is a product ladder. Then the freebie I designed is fit for those that want to buy, that would buy the BYB products, the BYB program, right? Even in my marketing, in my adverts, in my targeting, I only target people who can pay for BYB for the free lead magnets, which is the freebie or lead magnets. I use them interchangeably. They mean the same thing. The freebie or the lead magnet. Do you see? That's how you do that. Then number 4 is you create a funnel to deliver the freebie, right? So get on any email service provider, right? Get on any email service provider that allow you to send emails, okay? Allow you to send automated emails. I use Flowdesk and ActiveCampaign. I'll put a link in the description box. That way you can join Flowdesk, at a very great rate, but using my own affiliate link, okay? And also for ActiveCampaign as well, right? And then once you have that set up, you can now have emails delivering your freebie, and also set up an email sequence nurturing people as they come into your list for, let's say, the next 7 days. Also leading them to your main offer. Do you see? And now finally, you want to nurture the list for upsells. Once you have them in your list, don't just dump them there. Please nurture them with regular emails once in a week, twice in a week. I send emails twice in a week. But by all means, please nurture those who are in your list. Okay? I trust that this has been so helpful for you. There is a video where you will learn more about setting up funnel, right? Your emails, and also the tools you need in your business. It's right here, okay? So go watch it. There is a link in the description box where you will be able to book a call with me, a one-on-one session with me, for us to map out the strategy to build your personal brand and help you make money in your business. Use the link to book the call, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Until then, bye for now.